I'm just gonna post an update on what I'm been doing for the last 1 month or so. So I've got the what is called the borders. I've just magnified a little bit. You can see it's a bit magnified, bit aggressive. This guy is like coming down. It's a bit more aggressive. And I've got the contours off. So the idea being that I'll just replicate to my best of my abilities these lines on the tag. You can see some of the foot. I mean, I don't think I'll be able to replicate all of them, but that's the idea. And then finally I'll just put another layer and do the coloring basically, and make it come front. And so currently if you can see this guy, so I'm actually on the layer 1, so that's like the sketch layer, whatever, right? So that's the advantage of Photoshop. It makes it, I think the tail has to be bigger. So here is what I'm gonna just put it over here, right? Somewhere here. And I'm gonna just put more tails. Yeah, so it's coming somewhere here, I guess. Yeah, now it looks pretty solid. Now I'm just gonna continue putting some lines to the best of my ability. It's just lines, but you can zoom in, and then same thing here. Zoom in, and you can see that I've done a very bad job. So patience is very, very essential here. You can see these are strange lines which I tend to get rid of at the moment, because it's a real tiger. It's not a sketch. You see this guy. I'm gonna put it. I'm gonna erase a part of it. Just gonna erase that. Basically erase it, and yeah. Now that yep, I think we're good. So thing is, yeah, this has not been a okay. So this is good. Just gonna put it back over here. And I'm just gonna do this. The fineness of that is what will should determine the reality of it, I guess. I really don't care for that. Yeah, okay, so this is good. I don't think this I've done justice to this. So you see that this is the line that I'm trying to replicate, but it's eluding me. So I'm just trying to do that. Try to do this way, and this is too thick, I guess. Yeah. So I just want to zoom in, please, and take evasive actions here like that. Not mess the entire thing up like right now. So I'm just gonna mess a little bit over here, and yeah, this is good. I'm gonna do one line at a time, huh? Yeah, even that is good. So I'll just tell you from when I'm actually making this drawing, just to give you an estimate as how long I've taken. Could be pretty lazy, but well, seriously, there have been some serious work breaks that I had to take. That is because of work, not to actually concentrate on these things. But these are pretty easy to do. It doesn't take much of time, and then it's yeah, just trying to get that. It's not nothing much. This is all there. It does look like a drawing still, because you don't have the realistic hair kind of a thing that we have, right? But here you do have here, and I guess these two are too far apart, and you just put that. So yeah, I'm just gonna slowly try and complete this one at a time, actually. Yeah, so that it seems to be dark, right? So pretty dark. Okay, messed it up a little bit. So yeah, you can see it's pretty tedious process. Okay, so thanks again. I'll just leave you with this lively, I mean, nowhere close to the natural beauty, but hey, looking pretty similar now. Okay, thanks for watching. Just wanted to put an update to the drawing.